Working on Python strings using Jupyter Notebook. Python strings are sequence of characters enclosed within single, double, triple quotes. Here is the single line string is created which enclosed in single quote. And then the single line string is created and enclosed in double quote. And then single line string assigned to a variable and now get a single line string and multi-line string assigned to a variable. We run it, we get multi-line string. String concatenation. Two strings get concatenated by a plus operator and assigned to a third variable. If you print it, we get concatenated string. Accessing string elements with index. Indexing for string starts from 0. Each character in the string is assigned an index with first character at index 0 and second at index 1 and so on. Negative indexing starts from the end with -1 representing last character. This code demonstrates how to access individual characters and extract a substring using indexing and slicing, adapting the index values as needed for your specific use case. To extract length of the string, hello world, use built-in function len. If you run it, we get the string length 13. Next, extract string from start to 5th position. See the colon and the name number. If you run it, we get the string until 5th. Now extract from position 8 to end. We get world. Now extract from position 1 to end. Now reverse order. It will display the hello world in reverse order. Here we get character at each index value. So at 0 we have h, -5 since it is a negative indexing, again h, -1 is 0, and 4, both are same. Strings are immutable, which means their values cannot be changed after they are created. Once string is assigned a value, we cannot modify individual characters or length of the string directly. Attempting to change a character in a string as shown, we raise type error because string does not support item assignment. Look at this. Let me run this. Now string conversions. Here we have a built-in functions. Look into one by one. Upper, run it. We see all the letters got converted into uppercase. Next, for lower, all the letters from the string got converted into lowercase. Now coming to strip, run it. Now coming to capitalize. Here run it. If you look at, the first letter got capitalized. Now coming to title. Run it. All the letters from the word got capitalized. Let me restate. First letter of all the words in the string got converted into uppercase. In swap case, all uppercase got converted into lowercase, all lowercase got converted into uppercase. Let us put together all above conversion methods at one place to see the variance in output for a given input string. The first one, all uppercase letters, all lowercase letters. Next, the initial capitalized, and then all words, all first characters in the word got converted, and then last, string to numeric conversions. We have built-in methods to convert string to number, such as int, float, complex. Explicitly, we have to use these methods to convert. Here we have numeric string as an input. We are trying to convert string into int using int method. Look at the output. You can observe that input string converted into string, into integer. Similarly, we are trying to convert string into float using float method. Look at the output. You can observe the input string got converted into float. We are trying to convert string into complex using complex method. Look at the output. You can observe input string converted into complex. Happy learning. Thank you. Stay tuned to the upcoming sessions.